Have you ever faced this issue? You create a new Windows account, but the system automatically generates a weird user folder names. It's just the first 5 characters of your email. If this bothers you, this video will show you how to rename your user folder to fit your personal style. Whether you're using a local or Microsoft account, we'll walk you through the steps to make Windows truly yours.
Look at my Windows 11. Now I log in with the local account hello, and the hello account root folder or the hello account home folder is here. And now I will add another Microsoft Online account, and by click Start, click Settings, click Accounts on the left, and on the right click Other Users, click Add Account. Microsoft Online account email address. Yes, and click Next. Click Finish. Now the account has been added to this Windows 11, but there is not the root folder or home folder for this account because I need to sign out and sign in with the Microsoft Online account. For the first time log in, the account will create a home folder here. Okay, now I click here, click sign out, and sign in with this new Microsoft Online account. Yes, because I use Microsoft Authenticator to log in, and it will send a message to my Authenticator, and the Authenticator is a mobile phone app. It shows numbers 88. I need to press the number 88. Now I press the number 88, and it authorizes that this is me who log in to this Windows with the Microsoft Online account. Click the Next. Okay, there we'll need to add a new PIN code. Click Confirm. Now I log in with the Microsoft Online account. You can see here, and its root folder is created for the first time login. You can find the home folder for it. Yes, this is the home folder, but you can see the folder name is just the first 5 characters of the email address. If your email address first 5 characters do not mean meaningful, so then the folder name will be meaningless. So what I want to do is to change the folder name to a meaningful folder name. For example, the full name of my email address. Now I will show you how to do it. First, we need to sign out of this Microsoft Online account, and then sign in with another account such as the Hello account, because Hello account is an administrator account. Click search box, input PowerShell, and right-click Windows PowerShell. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. In this window, run this command. Press Enter. The command is get local user, select object, property, name as ID. Now it will show all the account name and the SID. And this account happy, and this is the Microsoft Online account SID. Please remember this SID, we will use it later. Now click search box, input regedit. Right-click the registry editor. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. In the registry editor, find this parts: computer, HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, profile list, Yes. And under the profile list, there are some folders, and the folder name is just the SID of the account. For example, the happy account SID ends with 1002, and this is just the SID for the account happy. And select it. On the right side, there is the item, profile image path. Double click it. You can see this is just the happy account home folder. You can change the home folder value here. For example, we change the home folder to the full name of the email address. And now click OK. Now the home folder has been changed in the Redis editor. Now close the Redis editor and open the File Explorer. Go to the account root folder and change this folder name to the full name of the email address, and this name is the same as the Redis editor. Okay. Now click the search box, input the CMD, right-click the command prompt, click Run as Administrator. And in the command prompt window, run this command, mklink. This command will link the old account root folder to the new account root folder. And when you operate the old account home folder, it will transfer the file or the other documents to the new folder. Okay, now press enter, it will run. Okay, this means the Symbolink created successfully. Now we should sign out the Hello Administrator account and sign in with the Microsoft Online account. We can create a file, right-click the desktop, click New, click Text Document. We create a new text file on the desktop, and we open File Explorer. We go to the Microsoft Online account root folder here, and desktop. Yes, you can see the new file is here. And we can also go to the Symbolink folder. Yes, there is also a file which is this text file. If we create a new file in this folder, for example, a new bitmap image, and we go to the real root folder desktop, yes, you can see this file is also pasted here. This means the account root folder has been changed to this full name. Now we open the File Explorer, and there is a OneDrive icon here. Right-click it, click Properties, and you can see the OneDrive properties. The location has also been changed to the new account root folder. If you want to see the text version of this video, you can go to this URL and all the command. You can get all the command in the web page.